Hellcat.
Hey guys, back again with another video with D-Legend.
Yeah, man.
This one isn't really a Beat Saber video. Instead,
We're just gonna be doing stupid stuff.
we're gonna be doing
Do you want me to show them what we're
really stupid things. But
Let me get down and I'll show them what we're
don't know how to explain this, but oh yeah, one sec. There you go. Do a little of this.
We'll sat on top of that.
Hey guys, sorry for that, but fucking like 5 people just walked past.
On bikes.
Yeah.
They went past on
walked
bikes.
Past on bikes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
like
rode
5
past.
people just went on bikes.
Yeah, the
Wait.
reason we had to get down is because
Do you know what?
you see how this is here? We're not supposed to be on this.
Well, we're not allowed.
There's people building right there.
There's no one there because of coronavirus.
Oh, there was nobody there because of
I
coronavirus.
think we can go there.
Yes, boys. Alright, wait. Let me explain. There's a giant building side there, and there's literally a field over there. And for some reason, even with coronavirus, it is full of people. You might not be able to, yeah, it's full of people. It's weird. Because it shouldn't be full of people. You sure this is insane? Barbed wire. Barbed wire. Barbed wire.
Excuse me.
Can you lift this up so I can get past?
Yeah.
Kid was literally right there a second ago.
Who was it?
I don't know.
Go on, quick and swim for a bit.
Can't do this. Sorry guys, let me just pause. There's another fence you have to climb.
No, we can go around here. Basically, we just
just go rounding.
nah, because it's harder to get around there.
You can literally move the fence out of the way.
If there's a chain up there.
You can move it this way.
Yeah.
Not.
Right. Sorry guys that we've had to do this like 3 times now, but it's extremely hard to get into this place. We're not really allowed in there, I guess, but it's so fun and so sick. Kane, I just did something cool. Look, we have to go through all of that just to get into this one place. And remember, I'm doing this for you guys as well. Hey. Sorry for the close-ups and ugliness of the Nathan. There you go. Look
Got him.
at all of that and a cane. This is too good. Let's explore. We got tape. Wait. Yeah. Have a look at how high this is. This is absolutely. Oh my god, have a look at that. Oh. Actually no one here. Look, there's a door there. If someone opens that, we are.
Put the camera real quick. Okay, I'm kind of on there. Right guys, if you want more videos like this, we're bringing a video out in the summer on my channel, which is also Nathan's channel. It's called Kane and Nathan. And
Make sure to subscribe.
make sure to subscribe to it. And in the summer, we're doing a video planning on going to a place called Whitley Court. Right now, sorry about that, a bunch of people walked past me, we should go right now. However, as I was saying before, planning in the summertime, if coronavirus is all gone, we're going to be going to a place called Whitley Court. But we need to go. like right now, because there's some more people doing work over there, and I don't know why. But I'm hand the camera back to Nathan. Sorry about that bad camera work.
Yeah. Alright, now. Legit, there's some awesome stuff in this. Look at this.
Do you want to keep going?
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Kane, go around here. Kane, I heard someone in there. There's someone in there, guys. That's a window. That's a window, guys.
Guys. We just heard, me and Nathan just heard a giant bang from inside there.
We gotta go. Hey guys, sorry, I'm gonna have to end the video here. We didn't really have that much time, and I'm sorry it's kind of a short video.
We just didn't expect anyone to be in there.
Yeah, because of the coronavirus and everything. But we will.
Literally,
Me and Kane,
inside
we're
that
doing
blue
more
building,
videos.
Inside that blue building, what I was saying, I don't know if you heard, but me and Nathan heard something like someone knocked something over.
Yeah,
inside
like
that
something
blue building.
knocking. So we had to get out. But we'll be posting more videos on Kane's and ours channel called Kane and Nathan. Go subscribe.
It won't be anytime soon though. Summer's probably going to
Yeah.
be the next one.
Yeah,
We haven't
probably.
really got many places available. It's going to be for like haunted exploration. So.
Yeah, we might do one near the hay bales though, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, so we might do one near there. We're definitely coming back here though, like just because it's fun. But I'll have to end it here. See you next time. Peace.
Peace out.